Hello everybody, and today we will be folding the origami Santa. This is the base form. We will put a pom-pom and we will color it. Okay, let's fold. I've given you a 6-inch square of kami. So take that out and we add this red. First, fold this corner, and this corner together. Fold these two corners together. Okay? Just like this. Make sure there are no uneven edges and crease sharply. Okay? Everybody ready? Okay. Then, see this edge? This one over here? I'll mark it down for you if you want. This edge, we can put this to the crease that we made when folding these two together. This crease. Okay, so just fold it up nice and tight. Make sure it lines up and crease sharply. Then do the same for the other side. Line this up, put this and this together, and good. Now, fold this corner to this point. See this one over here and this one over here. Just fold them together and crease sharply. Turn over. Now this is going to be a little tricky part. So from here, this little roughly around here, not straight. I mean it has to be a straight line, but I'm not making sure. So see this? I marked it down for you. Fold down on that, just like this. See? It shouldn't be like going all the way down like this, but it shouldn't be too up like this. Just as much as it can go. Okay? Are we good? I'll take that as a yes. Now, it's another hard part. So this process is called pleating. This will determine the length of the Santa hat rim. See this rim? Yeah. So, basically, you can label it if you want with a pencil. So you can fold, so you have to fold in on that, a little hard. And then you can fold as much as you want. Till you have this little part will be the face and the beard. So once you're done, you can just crease it down sharply. Okay, almost done now. Now, you see, like you feel like when you fold it down, you can only fold it till here, right? So just fold it till here, because that's how much it'll allow. Do it for the other side. And you are done. Now, all we have to do is glue a pom-pom and decorate. Okay, bye.